the talk. So perhaps we can ask. We are a group of activists who are interested in improving the legal regulation of the new emerging technology to extend human lifespan, to improve test for longevity, and we have 2 lawyers at least, and others are also doing quite a lot of legislative analysis. We have more lawyers, it's just this group is bigger than we have people here. So, and genetic testing is an important technology to increase human lifespan, so this is why we are very interested in having healthy regulation. So we had a meeting last time and discussed what was happening to 23andMe, and there was also similar development in China, and we were very interested to hear the insights from you as experts. Perhaps we should introduce ourselves and then ask Eduard to give some a bit of introduction of to the topic. So I'm Daria Kalturina, and I am generally I'm a lobbyist for public health legislation, and I'm based in Russia. Danila? Danila, we cannot hear you. No, you are muted.
I don't know what would be
now you can.
Discussion, but well, I'm transhumanist, life extensionist, and I wouldn't disclose everything else.
Mike?
Hello, I'm Mike Cariaso. I'm one of the 2 people joining this call involved in SNPedia and Prometheus, a public, an online resource for understanding genetics, based in Washington, D.C.
At least for me it looks like Mike Nelson is next.
Hi, I hate introductions. I'm Mike, based in the UK, recent master's graduate from New Zealand / UK.
I see Mallory.
Yeah, hi, I'm Mallory. I live in the Bay Area, and I have a law degree. I'm a new graduate, actually, and my focus and specialty is biotechnology, and my real passion with that is regenerative medicine.
Yes, and everybody knows Greg, but Greg, if you would like to introduce yourself still.
Sure, I'm Greg. I'm the other half of SNPedia and Prometheus. My background is in genetics, by the way, and definitely not in the law.
Yes, everyone knows Eduard, but still.
Okay, so I have a background in biology of aging research, especially with mice, and also a little of genetics, and now I am in insurance, and I have contacted Mike a few years ago for a project in genetics and insurance,